We're back for a shop talk, man. We ain't done a shop talk in a while.
I like it.
Bobby said he's unhappy with the bottom of his rockers. What are we gonna talk about, Bobby?
I don't know. Whatever you want. What do you want to talk about?
Man, you should have brought your 520, dude.
I thought about it. Actually, I had them on. I was about to put them in the truck.
You want to tell people what's going on with the 520s?
The cokers?
Yeah.
The trash.
Basura.
Oh.
Why?
They split. They split on the sidewalks.
How you know it's not only yours?
Because there's people have mentioned that this happened to them as well.
The sidewalls on your Coker 520 split.
I mean, the rider community is small. I mean, so if you give me one or two people saying that, then
Out of what? 30,000?
nah.
Shit, they ain't selling 30,000
Don't
sets
say
of
it,
tires.
man. Nah. Yeah, so they're splitting right in the sidewalk. Perfect.
How many miles?
Cut. And not even 40 miles. Not even less than that, probably. You know. So I mean, to split right alongside the white wall in a perfect circle, like in a perfect cut.
Yeah.
It looked like somebody took a razor blade and just precise split. And it's not only on one; it's on two for sure. The third one was starting. Only one survived. The driver front survived.
Hold that. So what'd you do, man?
Where you going? What did I do?
Yeah.
No, I went and bought some radials, man.
What size?
175, 75s.
How you like it? Better than the Coker?
Aesthetically, no. Cokers are better aesthetically. They look nicer. Do they feel better? Yes, the radials feel a lot better.
As far as driving?
Yes.
Like more cushiony?
They just feel more stable, more, I don't know how to describe it.
Yeah, we have more charges on the floor.
Oh. How you know that?
You didn't put this in the math class?
I don't know if Fredo did. Not fractions.
Man, I'm disappointed here about the Cokers, man.
Yeah. You know what disappointed me? Is that you got yourself here and give me one.
I hadn't opened it, man, so it really don't count.
Bobby, you want one?
No.
I'm gonna get you one.
Talk about the Cadillac, Bobby. What'd you do with the Cadillac?
Fucked it up.
Bobby volunteered to fix the air conditioner on the Cadillac for me.
Work.
He wasted 8 cans of Freon that he wants me to pay for
Well, you gotta say why.
because he misdiagnosed.
Nope.
Didn't he pay attention to math class?
Yeah, he didn't know how to mix the Freon.
That's not what happened.
Okay, explain what happened, man. I mean, it is fixed. Okay,
It was-
thank you. It's fixed.
It was 2 to find the leak.
Two cans of Freon to find the leak.
Okay. And then after we changed the compressor, we had another 2, so that's 4.
4.
And then you had a leak on on the high side
fitting.
high side fitting.
The leak completely out.
So yeah, you gotta take it off. So then that again, that's 6. And then it showed like that the lines were like clogged or whatever, according to the gauges. So then changed the orifice tube, and the orifice tube was full of gunk. So then you had another 2.
Damn, I thought I was exaggerating when I said 8 cans, but it really was 8 cans.
8 cans. Yep.
Damn.
It was actually 9
Gave you one free.
because
Buy 8, get one free.
because yours was 28 ounces.
Okay.
Each can is 12 ounces.
Yeah. They do that by design, man. You got to buy 3 cans. 2 cans won't
You're
get
never
it.
gonna use it. Yeah, the remainder of it. Well,
So that's why it's better to change all the parts from the get go and just
Why didn't you do that?
you want to.
Shit.
How much would those lines would have been? I mean, they don't make them. Pretty sure there's reproduction lines out there, but
That's one thing I don't know anything about is air conditioning. I really don't know the first thing about air conditioning system on a car.
I wonder if you can go to AutoZone and pick up those lines.
Like pre-made?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but you don't gotta change the lines. You just gotta change the main parts like the condenser, the dryer, your orifice tube or expansion valve, and the compressor.
No, but I mean, if you had a leak on one of the lines, I think they make them, but now they're more like rubberized with only a certain amount of hard line. Whereas before, all of them were hard line, like all the way through.
Like G-body with the 305 had a big old aluminum tube going across it, didn't it?
Yeah.
Anyways, man.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
You gotta have a vacuum pump, vacuum it out.
Like a
So it's blowing, what was it, 36?
like a rigid vacuum.
No. You gotta connect. It's a special vacuum. You gotta connect to the gauges.
It's blowing on the little thing, infrared is blowing 36 out the vent.
Yeah.
So you want when you connect the vacuum, it has to be like at 26. I don't know what the word is of mercury.
Okay.
Between 26, 30, something like that, and that's when the I guess it dissipates the water or gets rid of the water in the lines.
Who told you that?
YouTube. YouTube certified.
Your Theo Fundio?
So you leave it on there and you let it vacuum pump for a couple of minutes, not a couple of minutes, but like an hour.
To make sure there's no leaks. And it sucks all the
It sucks all this
moisture out.
Yeah, all the moisture. Then you open up when you vacuum it, you open up all two on the car, and then the two on the gauges. And then when you put the Freon on, you close the high side because you just want the Freon going on the low side. So you close the high side and you put the Freon in, and then both gauges are gonna start doing their thing.
Wow. Do you know that?
I knew some of it, but not all of it. No. I'm not YouTube certified. That's good though, man. That at least you got your AC.
AC blowing
Yeah. Now
Freon.
you can drive to Dallas.
Faster than the Dion.
Bobby, let's drive to Dallas.
Shit.
Get there faster than you. 90. Mash it.
I don't care, man. Y'all can take it to Dallas if you want.
That's this.
I'll drive to Dallas.
You don't have a spot for it, man.
You should have told me. I would have left it at my house.
We would have registered it. We'd have to register
You
it.
still can.
No, but I mean, I'm coming back Saturday night, so I can't do that. Probably have to drive all the way back here by himself. State trooper pulls him over. That's it. It's a wrap.
This fucking car's legit.
No, he's not. We're gonna send him back to Honduras, man.
Deport Bobby back to Honduras.
Yeah, man.